I'll be showing you how to get Microsoft Copilot on your iPhone so you can use the AI assistant directly on your device. To get started, simply open the Apple App Store on your iPhone and tap on the search icon. Then type Copilot into the search bar. From the search results, you'll see Microsoft Copilot. Tap on it, then tap the Get button to download the app. Go ahead and install it just like any other app. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app from there. Now you'll have Microsoft Copilot available right on your iPhone. You can either tap Continue or choose to sign in. Go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account, and you'll be ready to use it. You may also be prompted to set up quick sign-in options. Feel free to skip that for now. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Copilot, the AI assistant, running on your iPhone.